Welcome to the final capstone lesson of Series 10. Today we are putting all 9 question words into action together. We will assemble everything we've learned into 3 real-life dialogues and a grand synthesis of our course rules. Our first dialogue is about shopping. We use 이거 뭐예요? To ask what is this? And 얼마예요? To ask how much. Let's practice ordering at a cafe. 아이스 아메리카노 있어요? Asks, do you have iced Americano? And the answer is 4,500원이에요. Our second dialogue covers directions and meeting up. We ask 지하철역이 어디예요? For the subway, and 우리 언제 만나요? For when to meet. You can ask 어디에서 만나요? To know the specific meeting location, and reply with 카페에서 만나요? Meaning, let's meet at the cafe. Our third dialogue is about getting to know someone. We ask 이름이 어떻게 되세요? For their name, and 어느 나라 사람이에요? For their country. You can also ask 무슨 일 하세요? To learn about their job, and 취미가 뭐예요? To ask about their favorite hobbies. Now, let's combine several of our Series 1 through Series 10 grammar rules into some longer, single-breath sentences. For example, yesterday, why didn't you come to school? Is 어제 왜 학교에 안 왔어요? Combining past tense and negation. And tomorrow, what time and where will we meet? Is 내일 몇 시에 어디에서 만날 거예요? Combining future tense and location particles. Or, how much was the book you bought yesterday? Is 어제 산 책은 얼마였어요? Using past tense noun modifiers. As a final synthesis, remember that the Korean question word always sits in the exact same slot its answer would fill. By keeping the standard SOV word order and just swapping words in situ, asking questions in Korean is remarkably intuitive and simple. With all 9 question words mastered, you now have the tools to shop, make plans, and truly connect with any speaker. Congratulations on completing Series 10 of 왜 Korean. Thank you so much for learning with us. Keep practicing, and goodbye! You've successfully completed the entire Series 10 course. Thank you for learning with 왜 Korean, and see you next time!